I would like to invite on, on stage Mr. Manish Sinha, CMO of Sterlite Technologies, to give his presentation. Manish.
You had me there on bated breath. Misters could have been anyone. Hey, while you put that out there, I want to check a couple of things before we do that. Is that thing that we tried working? Can you actually go onto the internet? Okay, good. My guess is everyone here has a cell phone, right? Everyone has one? Okay, good. So we'll get to that very quickly. And hopefully, whether it's 4G, 3G, 2G, certainly not 5G, some internet connection would be there. I won't speak too much. I just wanted to quickly introduce myself and get to a question for you guys. Okay? I'm Manish Sinha. I am the Chief Marketing Officer at Sterlite Tech. As a company, we do a whole bunch of things around data networks. So from designing the optical fiber layer all the way to what is on everyone's tip these days, software-defined networks. We do the whole stack. The topic is network is net worth. So I thought I'll do a little quick deconstruction of that. I don't know if it's coming up there. Oh, don't bring that one up. Can you bring this one up first? No? Okay. Well, I'm making an assumption. Yeah. Can you? Okay, good. Perfect. So we are saying network is a net worth. Everyone's talking about 5G, FTTH, IoT. I'm just going to quickly deconstruct it. If it's net worth, it must make a lot of profits over time. And profits is about increasing revenues, reducing costs. How do you increase revenues? A lot of users and a lot of ARPU. The whole user game we have been doing a great job of. The ARPU game, I don't know. Rajan keeps coming up with these new ideas, but the reality is the numbers going somewhere in the wrong direction. The cost game is interesting. We've got to bring down the CapEx, less dollars, more markets, go all the way to the hinterlands of the country. Every home should have, one day I think we'll want fiber to the bathroom, but still, the whole cost, CapEx, the desire to bring this down doesn't seem to be happening. And the OpEx should also be down so that every time we pick up the phone and we try to spend $1, we get more GBs, right? It seems to be doing good on 2 or 4 of them, right? The real question is, how do you actually do this? It can only happen on the left-hand side if you see revenues go up when people are happy, right? And interestingly, we keep talking about how this industry, our telco industry, has actually been starting with a lot more profitability coming down, where from the very first day, it has been charging people. Whereas on the other side, I have a friend from InfoEdge. He'll talk a little bit about the internet industry. We have Vinay here. He'll talk about Microsoft. And we'll see that story. They started giving everything free first, right? Everything was free, freemium. And then now they're all sitting on like really high valuations, right? So we got to learn something from that. But it all happens if we can crack experience. And on the cost side, it all happens when we can, design it to be efficient. So the question is, what network can do both of these, right? And that's the question: how to design a network for superior experience. Now, I'm rushing through this because I want to get to a question, and there's a clock on me. So we want our networks to give us a whole lot more data. There is no end to it, right? Just 2015, we were saying we entered the zettabyte era, and now we saw charts from Cisco that in 24 or something, the number they are saying is 22 zettabytes, right? So yeah, I don't even know how to comprehend that. All I know is till you give me enough data equivalent to the data I'm getting from here, sounds, music, lights, everyone's faces in high definition, I'll still keep asking for more. We need all of it right now. So when I want something, I want it now, no milliseconds, probably nanoseconds is where we'll stop finally. For a variety of things, not just a simple phone call that we used to have, a whole bunch of things. With no disruption, we want it to be super reliable. If it breaks down, I'm going to kill you, right? And we want it very cheap. Actually, we want it free, right? Why should we pay for this? Right? God gave us data, didn't ask for money. Why should telco, right? So that we can do the following 2 things. We can do stuff, and we can have fun. More and more, I think we are spending a lot more time having fun than do stuff. Some very intelligent person also said that everything we do today, considering it is a utility, would be considered entertainment for the primordial man. So we're all about having fun. So if we do all of this, how do we actually get this done? So this is the question. What is the secret sauce that can give us all of that? This is the telecom industry a few years ago, and this is what it has become. right? Not just voice, not just transmission, storage, processing, analytics, AI. This is a $1 trillion opportunity. And what I wanted to say to you is the net worth giving network is this one. That gives you high scale, low latency, high agility, 100% uptime, low cost, that finally gives you this positive experience. I'm not going to spend, again, too much time on it. Only one that I want to spend time on is experience. Now, experience is this funny word, right? Today's good experience is tomorrow's bad experience. We have seen it with the entire Gs. We are going to get to 5G, and then I think we'll start saying, 5G is so slow, only it takes 10 milliseconds to get a response. I can see that coming. So what is experience? Experience is when we give people extra, over and above what they want today, and we do it fast. Like, you know, when Federal Express came, their whole thing was, we get you to you the letter fast. And that fast is always relative. So till we are coming up with a network that is consistently better than what it is today, we will always find it difficult to make all those four things balance. We'll have more people coming in, but we'll have to make extra effort to make them pay the same money that they were paying in the past. That's the reality. I wanted to quickly switch gears. If you guys can actually, I still have some time. I wanted to do a quick check with you. Sorry, I'm running like a super fast thing because there's a clock on me. Can you switch back onto the question? You guys have phones on you? Okay. Go to menti.com and just answer this one question for me. Because this seems to be a very important question for all of us today. How will telcos make money in 2025? What will they sell? Mostly. Will it be GBs? Will it be content? Will it be services like AI? Or will it be voice? Would love to see what this crowd thinks and how will we generally create net worth? So I guess you have to go to menti.com, type in that number, 140910. Okay. And let's see what you guys think. You guys are welcome to participate as well if you have your phones on you. Yeah? We'll see that. This is where we are trying to convert your voice into data. No cheating, Amit. Sneaking back there. Slowly edging up, but we see content making a very big word here. Content skill keeping its lead. And when I guess people are saying data, they mean being able to charge for data in GBs. And content, I guess, is like movies. So the fight is between GBs and movies. Yeah, cricket, yeah. Sorry, I'm not a cricket guy, so. Yeah, I know, yeah. Cricket is a good movie experience. Okay. While you guys punch in, it's actually fascinating. I would have predicted this. How many of you would have predicted this? Oh, there's some who would not have. Well, in most of my interactions with telcos, it's almost very, very loud. This is the corridor talk. Let's make content because that's going to generate revenues for us in a few years. And obviously, yeah, well, we hope we'll charge for data. The word experience comes quite a bit. But if that's the case, my request to everyone here is, well, we are taking telco to the next generation. The network that will give you the net worth is the one that rides on content. I have a bunch of other questions, but I'm totally out of time, so thank you so much, everyone.
So is it finally content will be king, or is it king, content is king once again? Oh, oh, okay. Thank you so much, Manish. Thanks a lot.